What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So let's talk about Terra Luna Classic again in this video. I know we talk a lot about it, but we have to, mention exactly what's going on because this is a position that could change a ton of people's lives, at the snap of a finger. Like it could be that great to see Terra Luna Classic run to even the levels that we believe it can get to, divided by 10% or divided by 10, right? So we could see this get to 1 penny and make a lot of people's lives a lot better. We can see it get to 10 cents, and 1 penny is only a $60 billion market cap. And I know I say only, but compared to what we've been looking at with like Shiba Inu, where we see 1 penny and that's a $6 trillion market cap. Well, obviously, we know that this is a much better situation. And to get to 1 penny and have people that have, 100 million or, 20 million or 30 million and actually have life changing money to be able to pay off a lot of things, it's definitely big. So we have to have this discussion. But what I wanted to talk about in this video was something that I mentioned previously, which was the whole Coinbase situation, right? Coinbase list Lunic. And there's definitely some rallying that we're seeing with Shiba Inu, or sorry, with Terra Luna Classic today. And I wanted to get into that. I talked about it earlier this morning in the live stream, and it was great, to be able to, discuss and see what's actually happening, where people's heads are, what they believe is going to happen here, maybe a rumor, maybe the news, what's going to happen, buy the rumor or sell the news, just so many different things that we want to discuss in this video. So before we get started, guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, at Perry8K, you can follow me there. Don't forget about my Patreon and any other links to any other channels that are down there in the description. So let's talk about Terra Luna Classic. Let's look at this. So Terra Luna Classic, page down for a second. Terra Luna Classic is currently at 0.0001753. We're seeing it up 12% today. Earlier today, when I created my live stream, we were up about 18 or 19%. And total, we were up about 35 to 37%, in the last 7 days, which is amazing. It's not obviously a 100% or 200% or 500%, but it is an increase that we can all be happy with. We were looking at so many things that were red, and Terra Luna Classic being one of them that was heavily red. So having any type of news and any type of push that's higher than the market is absolutely amazing. Currently, you're seeing this at a $1 billion market cap. The volume is up by 138%, almost up to $300 million in volume. You see the circulating supply, total supply, all of that stuff that's there. I do want to see a lot more that's being burned, but that's a whole nother discussion that we can obviously get into in a future video. So where's my head with this whole Coinbase situation? So if you don't know, Coinbase, there's a rumor that Coinbase is going to list Lunic. And the rumor is that they're going to list them on the 3rd, or at least announce the listing on the 3rd. And that's where it's all coming from. So this article basically talks about, this is 4 days ago that this was published. Rallies unexpected thanks to Coinbase rumors, which continue today. Almost forgotten, Terra Classic recorded a significant jump in trading volume in the last 24 hours as rumors of a potential 245 million coin purchase, $245 million coin purchase by Coinbase gained momentum. While this rumor remained unconfirmed by cryptocurrency exchange, as of this writing, daily Lunic traders went on an accumulation rampage to profit from the unexpected asset price hike. At press time, Lunic traded at 0.0001373, with Lunic coins worth $101 million traded in the last 24 hours of trading volume. Trading volume was up 55%. And you can see how that has changed in the last couple of days, seeing it up 138%, up to 296 million dollars flowing through in the last 24 hours, which is amazing. Now, this is where my head is with this, right? I do believe that with all of this, we do have hype that it's going to happen. I believe it may definitely happen with all the popularity behind Terra Luna Classic. It only makes sense to be listed on Coinbase, and everybody was calling for it. Everybody hopes for it. Everybody was tweeting it. We saw a huge hashtag, which was Coinbase list Lunic, which had like 150 like thousand um, uh, tweets on it, not just likes, but tweets. Um, which means that people really want this to happen. So I do believe that it will happen. Now, what type of pump will we end up seeing? Well, it all depends on um, how the market ends up going, because eventually the positions catch up to the market. So if the market is still trending negatively, which right now it's sort of positive, right? I believe we're like right in the mix. We're like plus 1%, minus 1%, right in that consolidation area. We're down about 0.6%. So a lot of times they do a catch up to the market. And that's what I believe you will see with Terra Luna Classic, but it just depends on how big the hype will be and how big the overall push will be for Terra Luna Classic. And then we will see where it will resist from. Now, my feeling is that we will see it resist at previous highs, previous levels of 0.00045 when this does become a reality, when it does become true. Now, we could see a big pump beforehand, and we could also see a buy the rumor, sell the news type of thing. But I don't think so, right? Not with a listing that's this big and has this many people involved. I think it's going to be such a big push that we may end up seeing it surpass the 4 or 5 levels. So it just all depends on when that's actually going to happen there. But my opinion is that we are going to see that listing, in Coinbase. It's something that is definitely sought after. Is the listing on Coinbase and seeing people be able to buy on that platform, one of the largest platforms that's out there. So yes, I think it's going to happen. This is big news. It was technically big rumors. And I'm not buying during this time. I never buy during these times, any type of larger increase. I never buy. Other people do buy. I'm not that type of person. But I totally understand where people are coming from if they are buying and they haven't been in Terra Luna Classic. I would imagine people are going to find some of these highs and they're going to sell. um, but you need to make sure you manage everything correctly, because I do believe that this has a lot of potential going forward. But if you can capture a small bit of profit, it's always great to be able to find the positions that you can capture a small bit of profit. But again, remember, um, with positions like this that are running quite a bit, they tend to play catch up to the market. So really be careful with what you're investing into. If you see it at all-time highs, don't think that it's absolutely going to skyrocket to way further than that. I mean, it can, but a lot of times the way the market reacts, it's a it's a different story. It's a different way of looking at it. It's going to be probably where we increase some of these previous highs, previous high levels, and we're going to see it resist a little bit. Now, whether the impact is strong, the buying impact is strong enough to catch that retracement at maybe 0.0003 and then increase that back up to 0.0006 and further. We don't know how that's going to go, but I know that this is exciting to see that they have any potential of listing on Coinbase. So, guys, if you could, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, feel free to follow me on both of those platforms. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.